Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be going over how you can duplicate tasks right here in TickTick to make your life easier. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, we're going to be going over duplicating tasks inside of TickTick. So you may ask, what would be the point of duplicating a task? I've already got it down. Why would I need to duplicate it? Well, there's many different kinds of reasons why you might want to duplicate it. Maybe you are creating a reoccurring task, and although it reoccurs every day, maybe you want it for morning and evening, right? Maybe you want to have it reoccurring in the morning and reoccurring in the evening, and sort of writing it back out again, especially if it has a lot of subtasks. Instead of writing it all out again for the morning and then writing it all out again for the evening and then having it reoccur, you can basically duplicate it, and it's really easy. I mean, it really helps out a lot. I've used it quite a few times to make my life a little bit easier, right? So let's say, for instance, I have exercise routine, okay, that I create. And then let's say, for instance, I'm going to make this a repeating task daily, because I want to do it daily. But let's say, for instance, I create some subtasks. Maybe I have walk, workout, arms, workout, legs. You can say I don't really exercise much today. Yeah, I know. Push-ups. And maybe I want to do that, these things in the morning, in the evening, right? So I create myself an exercise routine. Well, instead of going up here and typing exercise routine, typing it all out again, what I can do is I can right click on it and I can click duplicate. And when I do that, it creates another duplicate, but it puts copied at the end so that you know which one was the duplicate. Okay? And then all I have to do now is just go ahead and erase the copied out of there. See? Like that, and now I've got a complete duplicate. And it's very handy if you have a long list of subtasks, right? And then maybe my evening routine, I want to add one more thing in there, pull-ups, right? Or something like that. So you can kind of customize them to whatever you need, right? So that's one kind of cool way, like I say, you can utilize duplicating to duplicate your tasks so you don't have to keep typing and keep making new ones of it. And I use it quite frequently. A lot of times it's very handy when I'm creating my list or when I'm creating my to-do list for whatever day it is. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this very short episode. And if you did, please click that like button right down below. And guess what? Did you know that I make more videos? Probably you do, because you probably watched some of my other videos. But if you want to see more of those videos in the future, please click the subscribe button right down below and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.